All right, Frankie, let's do it. So as usual, the wind gets better. Get that thing out of there. PJ Lollipop. Pizza pan.
Tiger cleared.
Ready.
Gear up.
It's not? What's the deal with that? Oh shit, don't look at the sunlight. Because you're playing. Ah! I see sunspot. It's alright, I'm good. It's coming out. Still burning? Huh? Go ahead. It is? Maybe it's just the throttle range wasn't right. Whoa. Okay. Oh, weird. What'd you do? Oh, there's probably some mix that did something wonky. Okay. I'm gonna do a low high alpha. Getting into the attitude right now. Yeah, don't look at the sun.
Time remaining 1
You gotta make it! Let's do some stuff together. Are you still doing high alpha or what? I was gonna say let's do some more stuff together. We're doing our own thing.
Time expired.
Whoa, weird wind. I did the same thing. We still came out.
Nice. That was cool.
Totally unplanned, but it worked.
That was super cool.
because it just did some weird wonky, I don't know what.
1 minute over.
Then flopped back around, and we were together. So I'm like, okay.
That was cool. She tried to
Okay. We got to give ourselves some space. Which way do you want to do it? What direction?
going
Upwind, but what direction when we roll? Right or left?
right.
Okay. Yep.
Now. Ah!
You okay?
Yeah.
What the heck? I'm like, I did it. What happened to you? Do it, do it, do it! Coming down behind you. Oh, you gotta do a slow dirty roll. That looked really good. Oh shit. I gotta show you the slow dirty roll.
3 minutes over.
Here, check this out. Alright, I gotta come in too.
Dude, I did that into the sun.
Oh, and you lose it.
I lost orientation. That was
Gear down.
Alright. I'll be close. I got this landing. Whoa, what the, I don't know what the hell that was though. Shit. Wasn't as slow as I wanted. They've blown off. They've blown off. And I'm letting them because I'm going to repaint it. I'm going to paint it like the Navy colors. Because VFC 13 uses them. Here I am hitting your rudder and it's my plane.
that was a
fun.
skilled and basic move.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't even touch your plane.
I know you didn't, but still. Oh.